The learned additional sessions judge took the view that unlike in a warrant case, the magistrate has no option but to discharge the accused without going through the trial of the case, which was a summons case, full stop. In this connection, be referred to some decisions of Calcutta and Madhya Pradesh High Courts, as supporting the view that in such a case the magistrate had only to proceed with the case and ultimately record a finding of acquittal after taking the evidence, full stop. The learned additional sessions judge differed from what he thought was the view of the Kerala High Court in full stop. Raman Balan versus State. The view taken was that when a magistrate comes to a conclusion that there is no case, not even a prima facie case under section 448 penal code, he is perfectly competent to stop the proceedings under section 249, criminal PC without first following the procedure under sections 242 to 244, criminal PC, full stop. But the question which arises for consideration now is not what the magistrate bracket start as the learned additional sessions judge thought bracket close could do. The question is about the power of interference by the High Court in revision, it being not material to consider whether section 439, criminal PC or section 561A of the code has to be invoked, full stop. It was concerned to point out that a High Court exercising power under section 439 and or section 561A of criminal PC could quash a charge sheet which did not disclose an offense whatsoever, full stop. I respectfully agree with him that the proper course in such a case, was to quash the charge sheet, full stop. The learned additional sessions judge followed concerned itself with the power of the magistrate to pass an under order section 245, criminal PC acquitting the accused in a summons case without taking evidence, full stop. It is, as I stated, needless for the present purpose to deal with the power of the magistrate to stop or terminate the proceedings, full stop. It the magistrate, however, terminates the proceedings in a summons case. The effect of such termination would, according to the recent decision of the Supreme Court in the Municipal Council Kanpur versus the state of Madhya Pradesh, amount only to an order of discharge, full stop. That is again not the question now, full stop. On the question whether the High Court exercising power under section 439 and or 561A criminal PC can quash a charge sheet laid by the police even in a summons case when the particulars mentioned in the charge sheet do not amount to an offense. The decision in is along relevant, full stop.